Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll explore how a Coursera-style career test quiz can help users understand their strengths, work preferences, and natural abilities, and how you can build a similar personalized career pathway quiz using Outgrow. Let's take a look at the Coursera Career Test Quiz. Coursera uses a series of questions to help users think about their personality, working style, and professional strengths. Users answer questions such as, your ideal work environment is one where, when solving problems you prefer to, you're most energized when, in team settings, you excel at handling. These questions help identify how someone prefers to work, collaborate, solve problems, and use their strengths. Based on their answers, the quiz can provide personalized career insights and help users understand which types of careers or professional paths may be a good fit for them. Now let us show you how to create a similar experience using Outgrow. To get started quickly, we'll use Outgrow's AI assistant. Simply describe your idea, for example, create a career pathway quiz that identifies a user's ideal work environment, problem-solving style, energy sources, team role, and professional strengths. Next, Outgrow AI suggests some quiz ideas related to this topic. Pick the idea that best suits your business. After you confirm your choice, Outgrow I suggest personalized questions and outcomes for your quiz. Once you approve the questions and outcomes, Outgrow I asks for your website URL to apply your branding and color scheme. Once the website URL is provided, it moves to the final step, where you can choose a symbol for your quiz. Once you select the symbol, your career test quiz is ready to view. You will get a live URL to preview your quiz and a separate edit URL that takes you to the Outgrow Builder where you can make any changes to your quiz. Now it's time to customize your quiz. The AI gives you a great starting point, but this is where you tailor the experience to fit your brand and audience. You can edit the welcome screen by updating the title, description, and CTA button text. Next, head over to the questions section. Here you can review the AI-generated questions or add questions inspired by the Coursera-style career pathway quiz. For example, you can add questions such as, which work environment do you prefer? What are your primary skills and strengths? What are your primary interests? How do you prefer to learn and acquire new skills? What motivates you in your work? These questions help create a more engaging quiz while giving you valuable insights into each user's professional preferences. Now it's time to define your quiz outcomes. Instead of showing everyone the same generic result, create personalized career profiles based on the user's answers. For example, creative and design professions, technology and engineering, healthcare and life sciences, education and training, marketing and communications. Each outcome can include a short explanation of the user's strengths, preferred working style, and potential career directions. Now map the answer for each question. Assign values to the answers so Outgrow can identify the career profile that best matches each user's responses. Next, click on the Design tab. Here you can upload your brand logo, adjust its size, and customize the colors of the background, questions, answers, and other components. Before displaying personalized career insights, you can enable a lead generation form. Ask visitors for details such as name, email address. This allows you to capture qualified leads while giving users personalized career insights. Preview your quiz on desktop for an attractive look, on tablet for users who regularly use tablets, and on mobile for users who primarily access content on their phones. Once everything looks great, click Go Live. Your personalized career test quiz is now ready to engage users, generate leads, and provide personalized career insights. You can easily embed it on your website, career pages, landing pages, course pages, or marketing campaigns. Career Pathway. Quiz makes it easier for users to reflect on their strengths and discover professional paths that match their interests and working styles. With Outgrow, you can create the same type of interactive career pathway quiz in just a few minutes. Ready to build your own career test quiz? Start creating engaging, personalized pathway quiz today with Outgrow. Start your 7-day free trial.